Gentlemen, let me ask you something most men have never heard from a doctor. What if I told you there's one small spot on your body, no bigger than a coin, that can naturally restore blood flow, awaken sensitivity, and reignite your performance, even if it's been years since you felt at your best? It sounds unbelievable, maybe even a little awkward, but it's real. Modern science confirms what traditional medicine has known for centuries. Your body already carries the switch that controls your circulation and energy, you just haven't been shown how to use it. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, a board-certified urologist with 5 years of experience helping men restore vitality, confidence, and health naturally. Today, I'll show you how just 60 seconds a day can turn back the clock on your performance without pills, procedures, or side effects. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Hit that like button if you believe men deserve real solutions, comment where you're watching from, and subscribe, because what I'm about to share might be the simplest, most powerful habit you'll ever build. Let's get real. Most men over 50 think, my body is slowing down, my testosterone is dropping, and there's nothing I can do. Pills are the only answer. Here's the truth. Age isn't the real problem. The real culprit is tension and poor circulation in the pelvic floor, the muscles that support your bladder, prostate, and sexual function. Think about it. How much time do you spend sitting every day? Driving, working at a desk, watching TV, it all adds up. Every hour in that position tightens the muscles in your lower pelvis, the same muscles that need to stay flexible and strong to maintain circulation, sensitivity, and arousal. Over time, these muscles become stiff and weak, like a rubber band that's lost its stretch. This hidden tension blocks blood flow, compresses nerves, and reduces responsiveness. Most men assume it's hormones or aging, but the real problem is mechanics, something your body can absolutely relearn with the right signal. I've seen men in their 50s, 60s, and even 70s completely restore their confidence and performance simply by teaching their bodies to function naturally again. Take Robert, 64, for example. He had given up on intimacy entirely, frustrated with pills that stopped working. After just 3 weeks of a 1-minute daily massage of the perineum, the small spot between the scrotum and anus, he came back with a quiet smile and said, "It's like my body finally remembered how to work again." Or James, 70, who practiced the routine every evening before bed. Within 2 weeks, his lower back pain eased, nighttime trips to the bathroom dropped from 3 to 1, and after a month, his energy, mood, and sense of calm noticeably improved. The point is simple. Your body isn't broken. It just needs the right signal. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. Before I show you the technique, let's look at why so many men fail to see lasting improvements. Mistake number 1, thinking age is the problem. Many men assume that decline is inevitable. They stop trying, and the cycle becomes self-fulfilling. But what we know now is that circulation and muscle tension, not age, drive decline. Even men in their 70s can regain function when the right signals are given. Mistake number 2, ignoring the pelvic floor. Those tight, overused muscles control blood flow, sensitivity, and arousal. Sitting compresses them, reducing circulation to the area that actually powers sexual performance. Without addressing these mechanics, no pill or supplement will restore function. Mistake number 3, chasing quick fixes. Pills may temporarily force blood flow, but they don't train your muscles, vessels, or nerves to function naturally again. Once the effect wears off, you're right back where you started. Sometimes worse because your body starts relying on the chemical shortcut instead of repairing itself. Mistake number 4, neglecting daily habits. Your pelvic muscles are just like any other muscle. They respond to consistent attention and exercise. 1 or 2 sessions won't cut it. Daily practice is what builds lasting improvement. By avoiding these 4 pitfalls, men can see results within days, not months, and often without ever needing medication again. Now let's talk about the 1-minute daily technique that can reverse these problems. It's called the perineum massage, a gentle stimulation of the small spot between your scrotum and anus. Here's why it works. Biologically, this area is a dense network of nerves and vessels that control your prostate, bladder, and sexual function. Massaging it signals your body to increase oxygen, open blood vessels, and relax pelvic muscles, naturally boosting performance. Emotionally, men report a quiet sense of confidence returning, less frustration, and feeling in control again. Practically only 1 minute per day. No pills, no procedures, just consistent, focused self-care. Step-by-step instructions. Position. Sit on the edge of a chair with knees slightly apart, or lie on your back with knees bent. Stay relaxed. Locate the spot, the soft area between scrotum and anus. Slight tenderness is normal. Apply gentle pressure. Use index and middle fingers with firmness, like checking a ripe tomato. Massage. Slow circular motions for 30 seconds. Switch directions for another 30 seconds or press 5 seconds. Release, repeat. Use natural oils, optional. Castor oil, coconut oil, or black seed oil can improve comfort and circulation. Warm slightly before applying. Timing. Morning for energy, evening for relaxation. Consistency matters more than intensity. 1 minute a day builds lasting change. Here's what happens inside your body when you do this. Blood vessels. The massage releases nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for vascular dilation, improving blood flow to your pelvic region. Nerves. Gentle stimulation reactivates dormant nerves, improving sensitivity and arousal. Hormones. Circulation and oxygen delivery help support natural testosterone balance, meaning better energy, mood, and libido. Muscles. Relaxed pelvic muscles reduce tension, improve bladder control, and restore mobility in your lower back and hips. This is why men notice changes quickly. Better sleep, stronger morning energy, less lower back pressure, and improved performance without medication. I know this can feel awkward at first. Many men hesitate, thinking it's strange, but this isn't pleasure, it's medical self-care. Take Daniel, 65, who depended on medication for years. After 4 weeks of daily massage combined with simple lifestyle changes like walking, stretching, and hydration, he hadn't taken a pill in days. His confidence returned, his body responded naturally again, and he said, "It's not just physical, I feel lighter, calmer, like I've reconnected with myself." This is exactly what restoring circulation does. It rebuilds confidence, energy, and performance naturally. Let's dig a little deeper into why pills fail. Pills are temporary fixes. They don't teach your blood vessels to dilate on their own or your pelvic muscles to relax. Pills can cause dependency. Your body starts expecting a chemical push instead of functioning naturally. Pills mask symptoms, but underlying mechanics remain unaddressed. Poor circulation, nerve stiffness, and muscle tension still exist. The perineum massage works with your body, not against it. Over weeks, it trains your system, improves elasticity, strengthens nerves, and restores natural function permanently. To get the most from this 1-minute habit, morning boost. Stimulate blood flow to start the day with energy and confidence. Evening recovery. Massage and deep breathing before bed improves sleep, relaxes muscles, and repairs tissues overnight. Movement matters. Short walks, stretching, and standing every hour reduce tension and keep vessels flexible. Breathing technique. After your massage, try 5 slow diaphragmatic breaths. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 2, exhale 6. This improves oxygen delivery and deepens relaxation. Consistency over intensity is the key. Even men in their 70s report noticeable improvements within 2 to 3 weeks. Gentlemen, your body is not broken. The power isn't in pills, it's in your daily habits, awareness, and small, consistent actions. Here's your challenge for the next 3 weeks. 1 minute a day of perineum massage, move a little more, breathe with intention. Most men see results within days. By week 3, improvements often feel permanent. Better circulation, calmer energy, and quiet confidence that comes from within. Age isn't the enemy. Your health, energy, and potency are still there, waiting for you to reclaim them. Small, consistent steps restore what decades of tension and inactivity quietly took away. If this video gave you hope, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. What one change are you committing to tonight? I'm Dr. Jocelyn, reminding you, your body remembers how to thrive. Stay consistent, stay curious, and remember confidence isn't lost with age, it's built with action.